Good evening. Let me share my screen. I will download the sample file for dashboard. It's available in our chat box. Okay. This file basically has the claims list for the payors listed here and the patients we have here. Bill date already fixed. Let's check. So we have March and April only for this claims list as a sample. I think we have missing entry for VAT. Okay. And after VAT, let's fix that real quick. In the bill group, for pharmacy, I have 0. Net and VAT. And then other than pharmacy, I will put 15% VAT. And then add them together. Control shift down, left, control shift up. Okay. Then paste. Okay. Uh, Now I can insert pivot table to know how much are my claims for each payer per day. I will just select A1 and make sure all my headers are filled, because if there's a blank, if I go to A1 and insert the pivot table, it will stop me up till the one with data. So it will not capture all. So make sure that all your headers before doing any pivot table has correct headers. For example, this one, if I select all and make a pivot table, it will be issue because it shows like this because of my header. It's not correct. I have blank in I. Okay, let me put that back. This is invoice number. Okay. Now I will just select A and then insert pivot table. Okay, just making sure that it captures all the data I need. Press OK. I will refresh, right click, refresh. And here, first, what I want to do, I will try first. I want to take all the amount related to branch A and B as example. In our case, it can be considered as Sultan bin Abdulaziz and SMC Center. So I have this total for A and I have this total for B. I can copy this again, paste here, and instead of branch, I want by payer. I will remove the VAT and net. Okay. Also, I will make another one, copy and paste by date. Okay, as you notice, if I put the date here, the months, it appears as months, grouped as months. I can just right click this and click and group. So it will give you all the days. Okay. To have better visibility on how much my claims are for each day, this is also good visibility. I have 1,300, 3,000, but for me, I want more clear and to compare them with each payer. I will put the payer from rows. I will put them on the columns. So what are we expecting? Gulf Rita will be here. Kim Healthcare, Rita Arabia. So all the payers will be on the columns. And then on the rows, since I will leave the bill date on the rows, then the dates will be here. So let me put this here. It will look like this. All right. So this is the Pivot. Okay. Natawa lang. Okay. Now, I also, this is where I will show you now the interactive dashboard. Ay, sorry. Ah, sorry, that was with Tesla. Bill date. Okay. Coding implementation sheet 2 because there's already pivot table. And group pair on the columns. Okay. And let me just copy again this one and put it by day only. Again, I will ungroup them. Okay. This is now by day for all the payers, right? 102,000, 102,000, 102. If I only want Galfrita, then it should show me 1,300, right? So how I will do it from this table, go to design, pivot table analyze, and insert slicer. Since I want to know how much for each payer, then I will put the slicer as payer. This is just basically asking you, the system is asking you, what do you want to filter your data with? So for me, I want to filter by the payer. So I will click payer. Okay. And from here, let's say I want only to see Galfrita, then I will click Galfrita. Okay. If I want to see all, I will just select this. From here, I will insert my chart. Okay, let me pick this for example. So sorry, I will do it slowly. Select all the data here and then click insert recommended charts. You can pick which chart you want. Since I wanted to like compare each day, I will select this. In the design, I can pick, let me select this as a design. Then I can remove any data that chart element that I want. Also, I can add the amounts. Okay. So what will my slicer do on my chart? Okay, instantly, if I click Galfrita, then this table should only show Galfrita, which means since this is linked to this data, then it will only show Galfrita. So let's try. Okay. You see, as this changes, this also changes. This is April 5, around 13,000. Yes, so it's correct here. Okay. It means for Rita Center, it only has one claim, which is on April 5. Okay, if you want to compare all the months, all the days with all the payers, then just click this. You will have this. Okay. Actually, I'm also doing the slicer when I want to have a interactive list. For example, I will stop my recording because this will be like confidential.